Think of horizontal scaling like adding identical kitchens to serve more hungry customers simultaneously. Each new kitchen handles more orders without changing individual kitchen capacity or recipes locally. Vertical scaling is like upgrading one kitchen with bigger ovens and more staff efficiency. Instead of adding kitchens, you make one kitchen much more powerful and capable centrally. Horizontal scaling increases redundancy and fault tolerance by spreading load across many machines geographically. Vertical scaling risks a single point of failure despite high performance on that machine. Think of serverless like ordering food from a delivery platform when you want meals. You do not manage kitchens, you pay for each meal when it is prepared. Serverless abstracts servers, allowing developers to focus on code and event-driven tasks efficiently. Costs align with usage because you are billed per execution time and resource consumption. Scaling for serverless happens automatically as functions are invoked by events or requests concurrently. Now compare cloud providers like Amazon and Cloudflare using delivery network analogies together briefly. Amazon serverless often runs in regional data centers with flexible memory duration limits. Lambda supports many runtimes and has integrations with many AWS managed services ecosystem. Lambda can face cold starts depending on language, runtime, and container initialization time. Amazon provides features like provisioned concurrency to reduce cold starts for critical functions. Cloudflare serverless runs at the edge on many points of presence for low latency. Workers start extremely quickly with minimal cold start overhead compared to traditional functions. Edge serverless targets proximity to users, reducing network hops and improving response times. Cloudflare emphasizes fast startup and deterministic CPU and memory usage per request limits.
AWS offers integration with other cloud services plus extensive developer tooling and observability.
Amazon serverless often allows larger memory and longer maximum execution durations per function. Cloudflare Workers favor small, lightweight code running close to users with brief durations. Billing models differ a bit between providers, though both charge by compute and execution. Security and isolation models vary with different sandboxing and process isolation strategies employed. Architecture decisions depend on latency, requirements, scalability needs, and integration with existing services. For content, static assets at the edge reduce load on origins and speed delivery. Heavy stateful databases often remain centralized, requiring vertical or sharded horizontal strategies nearby. Serverless excels at stateless event-driven workloads like APIs, image processing, and transforms. Combine approaches by scaling databases vertically while distributing cache layers horizontally for best results. Think hybrid using edge serverless for low latency and regional servers for tasks. Measure cold starts memory usage and execution patterns to choose the serverless provider. Prototype functions on both platforms to assess latency, scalability, and developer experience differences. Remember, vendor features like IAM VPC access and observability tools matter in environments. Use serverless where fast scaling and per-request billing fit the workload profile. Ultimately, mix horizontal, vertical, and serverless techniques to optimize cost-performance compliance.